Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make text bold on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, you have to type to star and then type your text here and again type to star, and then if I send this text, here we can see the text is bold, and if I try to write a text without star, this is basic text and this is bold text. So this is how we can write bold text on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.